YouTube, this is your girl Earth Angel. I'm back with another video. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are healthy, and I hope you guys are happy. I am just doing a YouTube video. Well, of course I'm doing a YouTube video, but I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial for beginners, or just a way to make your eyebrows look completely natural. So we're just going to start by just brushing your eyebrows. As you can see, towards the end of my eyebrows are very, very, very thin, super thin. And I love to just put all my focus on the part of the eyebrow that is super thin. So what are you doing, Angel? And guys, don't pay no mind to my eyelashes. We're going to go in with the Anastasia. We're going to go in with this brush. Make sure you guys got a good brush with a good angle so you can get that shape going. I'm just going to dab a little on my brush. And I am the color dark brown, I believe, dark brown. So we're just going to focus on towards the end first, guys. We're just going to brush straight back the opposite way. Not the opposite way, but the way that I was going, of course. So we're just going to dab a little bit towards the end and keep all of our focus on the thinnest part of the eyebrow. And we're going to reshape. We're going to start at the top. See how we just filled in that thinness? All right, so you just want to just keep filling in. It's basically, guys, like connect the dots. That's all you're really doing, is connecting the dots. So I just pretty much shaped my eyebrow in a way. All I did was just fill in the thinnest part of my eyebrow. And it's almost connected to my thickest part of my eyebrow. So it looks as if I have a full grown eyebrow now. So yeah. So all we really need to do is just get our eyebrow to the shape that we want it. Now that we have filled in the eyebrow and made it look like one, as in one, and not in, not like a half of an eyebrow. So now it's a one. So let's fix it up and clean it up. So now what I'm doing is just, filling in the top part. I'm just working my way up to the top. Right now I'm focusing on the middle. So I'm just going to start with the top now and just start filling that in. So it's pretty much simple. Me, guys, I like to just have a natural brow. I don't really like to really have anything too neat looking. I just like a natural, pretty eyebrow. And I don't like them too dark. Sometimes I go dark. Sometimes I go super, super light and natural. But right now I just want to go for a little dark. A little thickness, So I'm just shading, just brushing. Stop it, Sage. That's my kitten. Just brushing towards the top of the brow and then working my way down to the bottom. Definitely brush at the top of the brow, because that's the part you want to be super duper natural. The darkest part of the brow should be towards the end always. So you just want to, stop it. You just want to keep filling in, not filling in, but just keep brushing towards the top and then make your way down towards the end. Oh. So yeah, just keep on brushing. And just clean up. So, while you're doing your brows, of course you're going to be cleaning up with your fingers. I think we've all done that before, but to me, that's like perfect for me. Just keep on filling in until until you reaches your preference. Then just keep on filling them in, just keep filling the eyebrow in as much as you want. But to make it super duper natural looking, I'll suggest that you only fill them in really dark towards the end, never really towards the top of the eyebrow. and you want to make them look like cousins, not like step cousins, don't try your best to make them look like sisters. I'm telling you that now, guys, because you will be spending 13 hours in the bathroom trying to make your eyebrows look like sisters. So I'm just brushing it up, keeping all my focus to the top of the brow, making sure that it looks super natural at the top of the eyebrow, because we don't want to be somebody's looking like somebody's angry bird. So definitely. So I did shade in a little bit towards the top. I just brushed until it looks super natural towards the beginning. And guys, just do whatever fits your preference. If you want darker brows, you can do darker brows. Just make sure they look super natural. Me, because of my head shape and my eye shape, I definitely like to go for this eyebrow shape. I think you'll know what is your eyebrow shape because you just will know, and you will know how to do your eyebrow shape. But this is my eyebrow shape, and this is what I like to do. And now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Concealer, and I'm going to take this concealer brush from Morphe. And don't pay no mind, my brush looks a hot mess. I'm just going to dab a little bit. And guys, normally I use LA Girl concealer, but this is my LA Girl. I can't find that anywhere. I just use this Fenty concealer, and I actually really liked it. It just gave me this natural look under my eyebrow. I hate that super duper light look. I love a natural look, to be honest, guys. Sometimes I don't even go for concealer under my eyebrows. Yeah, I don't, because it just looks a little too unnatural. So yeah, so I actually will be using Fenty concealer under my eyebrows from now on because I like this. Yep. So I'm just going to start towards the bottom of the eyebrow to fill in my concealer. I'm going to start at the bottom and then work my way up towards the top. I feel like if you start the concealer down the bottom, you'll kind of use the most concealer down the bottom and then use the last little bit on the brush towards the top. Because the most cleanup is towards the bottom, if you ask me. And the reason why I did clean up a lot towards the bottom was because my hairs on my eyebrows were growing in, so I felt like I needed more cleanup towards the bottom of my eyebrow than the top of my eyebrow. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm just keep on cleaning up. So we're pretty much almost done, guys. So I'm just going to clean up the top real quick, because I did have to kind of reshape that eyebrow a little bit. You guys didn't see that because I edited that out, but it only took me about a second. So you see how I'm making this mistake, which I'm sure you guys probably all made this mistake. So what I'll do is I'll just keep on cleaning up, and then I'll show you guys how I fix this mistake. So I'm just going to dab a little bit on the brush, and then I am going to just fill in wherever I made my mistake at, and just shape my brow the way I want it. Yep, just keep on shaping. And I swear, you guys, it normally only takes me 5 minutes to do my eyebrows. So yeah, So right now I'm just looking to see if my eyebrows look like cousins, not like step cousins, because we don't need that. Period. So I'm just cleaning up around between my eyebrows towards, the bottom of it, and just, blending everything. And normally I use a beauty brush. A beauty blend. Yeah, beauty blender. So I normally would use that, but I'm just going to take my concealer brush. You can use the concealer brush. You can even use your fingers, and just, blend in and, blend everything in. We don't want any concealer lines because that just looks completely unnatural. So I'm just blending everything in. By the way, guys, I have on Fenty foundation. I just dabbed a little bit on my face, just a little bit, not too much. So I'm blending all my concealer in, and it's blending really well with my foundation. And you guys, I am going to do a tutorial on the Fenty foundation and this concealer because I love it to death. It's amazing. And you guys, I didn't. So guys, I'm pretty much done with this video. Guys, you can use any. I suggest that you use the Anastasia eyebrow dip, but whatever you want to use, whatever fits your preference, use it. But guys, this is your girl Earth Angel. I'm done with this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wish you peace, love, and happiness. Thank you. Bye.